If your mornings need a keto kickstart, these blueberry muffins are your new best friend. Let's get baking. First up, grab a bowl and mix 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and 1/4 cup of your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. Now add a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and mix it all together. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour those wet ingredients into your dry mix and stir until combined. Time to fold in the stars of the show, those juicy blueberries. Gently mix in 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. Spoon the batter into a muffin tin lined with paper cups. Fill in each about 3/4 full. Pop them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 degrees Celsius for y'all outside the US, for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. Cool them on a rack for a few minutes, then dig in. These muffins are low carb, high protein, and bursting with blueberry goodness. Please like and subscribe for more tasty keto recipes.